A group of my friends and I, we went into privates, we had fun, we decided to start doing some 1v1s. This is my set of 1v1s. I started against HoveringEnd, we are both Warlock mains, and we clashed.
In my phone!
The first fight went well. We started with a gentleman's agreement. We shake hands, we started with gentleman-like. Then we both go in. Both of us are expecting us to each other to go in with Dawnblade, so it was a surprise for both of us to be on Chaos Reach. We both use Top Tree Dawnblade. I'd spent this day using Top Tree Dawnblade for PvP. I'd also taught him better movement, so when we both use Chaos Reach, it was funny. We both go with the shock that we're using Chaos Reach, and then we trade. There's nothing really special about it. We both started off target, we both got onto target, and we both died.
In my phone!
After this, we had a gentleman's agreement to stay on the same supers. No one else was doing it. We start off again, our handshake, our challenge. It was just a fun little bit. It made it more fun. Now we're both on our main PvP class. They start off late. I used my heat rises too early, because I thought they were going to start and then take off. So I activate before we go up. He has a slight delay. And then means I get instant height advantage. I get better movement off the start. I move faster, and then I just hit both my things directly, and I win. It's 2-1 my favor.
In my phone!
This is where we start going out of our comfort zone, where we don't know where our subclasses and supers, how they particularly work for PvP. We start off, we have Gentleman's Handshake, we both go off. There's a little bit of faffing around here. I don't know why it takes so long to start. I can't be able to cut it. So we're waiting, no one goes to start us off. So, scoping in, going my crouch spam, throwing off my handheld, it's not going to do shit here. So we finally have our person in. We're waiting, and he shoots, and that's our go. Nope. And there we go. I teleport in, he goes up and back. I have somewhat of an idea of what I'm doing, I just don't know how the subclass particularly works, and I just no idea. And then that's it. I go in, I hit the thing, I blink it out. Because I have the slight better blink movement, and then I blink off the map. 3-1 my favor. Now this is the fun one. We decided to do well. We both run Starfire Protocol, we both run fusion grenades, and we just well spam. Because we discovered that well does damage on placement. Oh well, we knew this, but I showed him that it does damage. So I'm like, let's do well. So we start off, we're waiting, we're chilling, I'm doing my crouch spam, we've done our bit. We get our Titan Slam to start. So I go up, he starts with his wall, he gains his overshield, I avoided. I go further back, he starts throwing fusion grenades, I miss my fusion grenade. I throw, we miss again. We're both just sort of trading here. I get the damage hit, but he doesn't. I walk out of my well, so I lose overshield, whereas he's standing as well spams. So I get good damage, but he out-heals it here. And this is just a very interesting one. We're both well spamming, we're both trying to get our things up. I'm waiting for grenades to come up, so I can well and then spam him out. I move back. I miss both my grenades again. We're both repositioning, waiting for grenades, and just trying to get those hits off. He does get the better hit there. I go down, I'm taking damage, I'm burning. I dodge, and he just deletes me. And that's it. 3-2 is my favor. Now we go into a Storm Trance. This one's very bad for my part. So we go in, we do our bit, we fall back into my location. Nothing special so far. Doing it normal, and we shadow shot. Now this is slightly unfair to my favor, because I have to run around it, and then so I jump to the right to go around it. Then I blink, expecting it to work like Nova Warp, and I proceed to warp off the edge, and it's even. 3-all.
Three minutes.
My
is another one where we go into having a fun one. We're doing swords with no ammo, which I'm on Temptation's hook, he's on guillotine, which I don't know if that actually has a difference, but we see. So we do our bit, we go back. I go to Talk Truth for the movement boost. We shadow shot, but not me, so I'm able to move in close. I get shot by someone. Someone shoots me while reviewing. So I miss my shot, he hit his. I dash back, he hits a second one while I dash back. I jump in, I wait to get healing. I've got my healing, but so does he. I try and cancel his. We go off each other, and I miss my hit. And he just hits that nasty 180. And then it's 4-3, his favor. Now we're on to our last super battle. We're on bottom tree Nova. We do our bit. I've got blink on, so this is going to be interesting because I don't use blink, if you can see by the under blink off the map. So I'm doing my crouch spam. We're waiting. We get our go ahead. I go up. Nova. He Novas too. I bounce. I hit the bunny hop. I miss Nova. He misses the Nova. I bounce up. He Novas, I jump over it, I shoot, I miss the Nova. I go down, he Novas again, I jump above it, flick around, try and hit the 180 Nova, it doesn't actually work. This is near me. I hit down, and then I get him with the Nova, and I kill someone else. And now it's 4-0, and we go into our last one. Now it's our final battle. We've decided to go in weapons only. It's 4-0. There's no more to be done. This is it. So we go in, we play early because the match is about to end, so we have to go fast. We're running around people because everyone's just using supers. I get shadow shot, which is an issue. I die. Now we have 20 seconds to fight. We have to go quick. Just go, 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 go. I'm back on my top tree, so I've got my movement advantage. We're going. He's far away. Someone else hits me mid-air, so we're even on damage, and we're both low, and we tie. The game ends. That's it. This next bit's for Riley. I'm throwing just random gameplay from that session up. But it's his birthday today, or when I'm making this. Yeah, no, I'm gonna upload it after this. Hopefully, if I remember. But it should be going up on his birthday. And I've done this to show it's been fun. I'm bored. I can do it. And it's been good. Which means I also need to do one of these tomorrow for another friend. But I gotta find if I actually have clips with him, which is an issue. But yeah, I just want to say happy birthday, Riley. It's been fun getting to know you. And this is also very fun. And I don't actually have any money, so I do have some talking skill. What little of it I've used here, I hope you've enjoyed. But here, I don't know. I don't we're 2-0. You know that. I think this is it. And here's a video for you. Happy birthday.